This way.
Are you having a party?
You've arrived on a rather special night. It's one of the master's affairs.
Oh, lucky him.
You're lucky. He's lucky. I'm lucky. We're all lucky.
Alright, got a DPMS here. Now this is your most basic stripped down AR that you could probably actually buy completed. These are running for about $4.89, just depending on where you're at. Catch them on sale, $5.25. Brand new out of the box. Now there's nothing to this spectacular. I'm just giving y'all a quick look at an option out there you can use for your coyote hunting, home defense, or just your Second Amendment right. But I got it topped off with a cheap ACOG knockoff. Ain't too bad. It doesn't come with a dust cover. It's a hard plastic grip. 5.56 1-9 twist, and that is it. There is nothing spectacular about these. Just giving y'all a quick look. Gonna do some videos on this just to show y'all this and basically how not really anything, just decided to pick it up. It was cheap, so I grabbed it, walked by and seen it, one of those things. But gonna do a couple of deals with it. Try to like I said, nothing spectacular. It is cleared, and that's it. Just like any other AR, comfortable. This is not a review, it's just a quick video. Alright, again, this is just a cheap, economical buy, nothing major to it. Like I said, this is just going to be a workhorse, one of those fun target if it gets dropped or well, left out, you know, raining, things like that. Put it on the four-wheeler, ride around, checking feeders and everything. Just let it get bounced around, knocked around. It's going to get beat up pretty hard on this setup. But like I said, this is not a review, just a quick look. DPMS, under 500 bucks is what I paid for this. So it ain't bad. Ain't got the dust cover. Like I said, I've got other reasons why I bought it, and I will be going into discussion on those at a later time. There you go.